Now we continue our record work and viva. Next specimen, shark, Scoliodon. Here is the picture. How we identify shark, or what are the points related to viva? This shark, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, then subphylum Vertebrata, superclass Gnathostomata, jawed animals, Gnathostomata, subphylum Vertebrata, superclass Gnathostomata, that means jawed animals, and class Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes. Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fish. What are the identifying features of Scoliodon? That means the characteristics of Chondrichthyes. That means chondro means cartilage and ichthyes means fish. Mouth ventral. Mouth is ventral. Tail heterocercal. That means the two lobes of tail with different size. Tail heterocercal, mouth ventral, skeleton cartilage, skeleton cartilaginous. 5 to 7 pairs of gills, 5 to 7 pairs of gills. That the operculum not present, operculum not present, gills are inside the skin. There are 5 to 7 pairs of gills, operculum or gill cover absent. That are the points related to viva. Then next specimen. Next specimen, Rohu. Rohu. This is also included in kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, vertebral column exists. So subphylum Vertebrata, superclass Gnathostomata, jawed animal, and class Ostichthyes. Ostichthyes means bony fish. What are the identifying features of Ostichthyes? Mouth terminal. Mouth terminal. Tail homocercal, same shape and length. Tail homocercal, skeleton bony. Bony skeleton, 4 pairs of gills. 4 pairs of gills, operculum present. Gills are seen inner part of operculum. Operculum present, 4 pairs of gills. That are the identifying features and the viva point. The caudal fin is deeply forked. Body is bilaterally symmetrical. Scales are cycloid. Scales are cycloid. Here scales are placoid. Scales are placoid. And in case of Ostichthyes, scales are cycloid. Next specimen, frog. Rana hexadactyla, frog. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata. Class Amphibia. The main characters of frog or amphibians. The animal partly live in water and partly on land. Skin smooth or rough. Skin smooth or rough, rich in glands. Two pairs of limbs. Two pairs of limbs. Pentadactyl, that means five-fingered. Pentadactyl, that means five-fingered. Digits without claws. Digits without claws. Body with distinct head, trunk. Head and trunk. There is no neck part. Two nostrils open into buccal cavity. Two nostrils open into buccal cavity. That means mouth cavity. Tympanum present on surface of body wall. Tympanum present on surface of body wall. Eggs are laid in water. In the early stage of life, that is larval stage, they breathe by means of gills. But in case of adult, they breathe through lungs. Heart three-chambered. Larval stage tailed and aquatic. These are the points, identifying features and viva points. Next, lizard. Garden lizard. Calotus. Garden lizard, Calotus. Here, Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata. Class Reptilia. Class Reptilia. There are different types of reptiles: turtles, wall lizard, cobra, crocodile, etc. are included in class Reptilia. The characteristic features of reptiles: they live in land, that means terrestrial. They are terrestrial and also in some cases they are in aquatic. But in case of garden lizard, they are terrestrial. They live in land. Live on land. Body covered with horny scales. Tough horny scales. Skin is dry, without glands. Paired pentadactyl limbs. Paired pentadactyl limbs with clawed digits. Sharp clawed digits. Pointed digits. Tympana small and depressed. Tympana small and depressed. Respiration through lungs. Three-chambered heart. Three-chambered heart. In all case of reptiles, they are with three-chambered heart, except crocodile. Crocodile with four-chambered heart. But in case of Calotus, snakes, turtle, etc., heart is three-chambered. Next, pigeon, columba, bird, flying bird. Pigeon, columba. They are flying birds. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata. Class Aves. What are the identifying features of columba? Warm-blooded, that means homeothermal, also called endothermal. That is, body temperature maintained constant. They are warm-blooded, that means homeothermal, and also endothermal. That is, endothermal means body temperature remain constant. Body covered with feathers. Body covered with feathers. Scales are present only in hind limbs. These wings are meant as forelimbs and legs are hind limbs. Body covered with feathers. Scales are present only in hind limbs. Body is divisible into three parts: head, neck and trunk. Jaws with horny beaks. Jaws with horny beaks. They are walking. Pigeons usually walking, but crow are perching. Bones with air spaces. Bones with air spaces. That means pneumatic bones. Bones with air spaces to make the skeleton light. To make the skeleton light. Bones with air spaces to make the skeleton light. That is also known as pneumatic bones. Pneumatic bones. Pneumatic. Pneumatic bones. Forelimbs modified into wings. Helps for flight. Heart four-chambered. Heart four-chambered in case of ewes. Lungs for respiration. Lungs are connected with air sacs. Lungs helps for respiration. Lungs connected with air sacs. Voice box or syrinx. Voice box or syrinx present at the junction of trachea and bronchi. Present at the junction of trachea and bronchi. Syrinx, voice box present at the junction of trachea and bronchi. Only left ovary and oviduct. Only left ovary and oviduct present in females. Helps for reducing body weight. Economy in body weight. All are oviparous. They are egg-laying creatures. Birds are oviparous. That means egg-laying. Egg with much yolk and calcareous shell. Next specimen, rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit include kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata. Subphylum Eutheria. Subphylum Eutheria. And order. Order Rodentia. Order Rodentia. Class Mammalia, subclass Eutheria with external ear, well developed, teeth present in young as well as in adult, placenta present, mammary glands present, mature young ones are born. So they are included in subclass Eutheria and order Rodentia. 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 What are the features, characteristic features of rabbit? They are herbivorous and terrestrial. They live in land. Herbivores. Only eat plants. Incisors. Incisors. That means the front teeth. Incisors long, sharp and chisel shaped. Incisors sharp, long and chisel shaped. Forelimbs shorter than hind limbs. Forelimbs shorter than hind limbs. Body covered with hair. That are the characteristic features of Mammalia. Now we discussed the main characteristic features of Mammalia. Body covered with hair, presence of mammary glands, sweat and oil glands present in the skin. Body divisible into head, neck, trunk, tail. Projecting external ear, pinna present. Dentition. Dentition. Thecodont, teeth in socket of jaw bones. Thecodont means teeth in socket of jaw bones and generally heterodont. That means there are four types of teeth present. 7 neck vertebra, homeothermal, warm-blooded animals with 4-chambered heart. Testes are extra-abdominal. Testes are seen extra-abdominal, not within abdominal cavity, contained in scrotal sacs. Viviparous, they give birth to young ones. Some primitive animals are oviparous, but in case of rabbit, they are viviparous. They give birth to young ones. Now we complete some portion. In the next part we continue with the models. Now we complete today's part. If you like this portion, please like, share and subscribe.